three basic things that you can do with an AI-driven customer data platform for B2B. First, instead of buying a whole load of data, and I had a number of questions on this before this, there's one platform that brings all the data and intelligence that you need into one place. It's extremely hard for people today to keep up with the explosion of data that exists, whether that's data from companies like Dun & Bradstreet, or what you can get off the internet, or data that might exist in other data repositories as well. So first is, how do you bring all of that together and create a single source of truth? And too many people today are in a situation where they've got masses of data that is not connected in meaningful ways. The second step, and perhaps the most important step, is how do I take that data, all of that vast amount of information, and turn it into signals? A classic case at the moment is, many of you might have heard of this concept called intent, right? Which is the ability to look at all the behavioral data that exists and figure out who's going to be interested in my product and service so I can reach out to those people. Doing that means you've got to be very clever about how you bring the data and intelligence together and draw signals out of that, right? And that's the whole concept of the AI, the ontology, and all the clever stuff that we've got the team in Israel building, and that is really a sort of expertise in the AI space. And then thirdly, and it's really critical as well, is to drive that into actual action. So at the end of the day, if I do all of that clever work and I don't do anything with it, why do we care? And I'd encourage everyone to go back to the old mantra of CRM, which is test and learn and improve, test and learn and improve. So if anyone is thinking about how do I think about AI, especially in a B2B, but just generally, think first about how do we get traction quickly and test results.